how to use Pro Beauty Glow. So it's very easy. First, clean your skin, wash your face thoroughly and pat dry. After that, prepare the device. So now you need to prepare the device, charge or power on the device, and then check the settings, and then apply serum. It's optional. Use a hydrating or anti-aging serum for best result, and then use the device. Now you can use the device for LED therapy. Select light color, red for rejuvenation. Hold the device over your face and move it slowly for 10 to 20 minutes. For massage, glide it upward across your face for 5 to 10 minutes. And then after care, apply moisturize after the session. And finally, frequency. Use 3 to 4 times a week LED therapy or daily for massager. So hope that this video helped you out. If you found this helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. And if you need to know any further details, then comment.